Hey, what's going on? Prashil here, and today I'm excited to be doing the unboxing of the Garmin Fenix 7. I hope that's how you pronounce it. And yeah, this is the Sapphire Solar Premium Multi-Sport GPS watch. And I gotta say, this is definitely at the upper echelon of, I guess, wearable smart tech. Because man, oh man, I used to think Apple Watches were expensive until I got my hands on this. So yeah, I'm excited to get into the unboxing. Let's get straight into it. On the box itself, you've got the watch, the name, the brand, and this is pretty much what it looks like. I'm not sure if this is a scale, but yeah, this is a side view, front view. Let's cut up this little sticker here and unbox it. And there you have it. All right, let's set this aside here and see what else we get in the box. That looks like a beefy type C cable, but it's not. Not sure what you call this, but this is what actually charges the watch itself, so that's quite interesting. All right, let's see what else we got in the box. Open it up here and drag everything out. All right, important safety and product information, bunch of stuff, thick booklet, you know what it is. All right, and this is sort of, I guess, the instruction manual startup guide. But yeah, for now, let's just have a look at the watch itself. Let's take it out of that. And I gotta say, this is actually quite lightweight. A lot lighter, actually, than I would have expected it to be. I mean, don't get me wrong, this watch costs a lot. And I mean, you can definitely see over here, you've got quite the feature set in terms of sensors. You've got the actual charging dock and a bunch of different features, but man, oh man, this watch feels very light in the hand. In fact, I'm actually gonna have to go ahead and say that my Apple Watch feels slightly heavier. Actually, I would say substantially heavier than the Fenix 7, which is kind of funny, considering this is almost twice as much as that. All right, so let me try this watch on and take off my trusty Casio G-Shock. All right, so this is what it looks like on the wrist. And I gotta say, it doesn't look too bad on my wrist. I've got skinny wrists. So yeah, if you also have skinny wrists, this is kind of how it will look. It's not too bulky, it doesn't stick out too much. And yeah, my first impressions are that it honestly has a good fit. Way lighter than I expected, especially for the price you're paying. But it definitely does feel durable. And I'm assuming that's what the whole point of this is. To be able to go out into the world, you know, do whatever you need to do, get it dirty, wash it off, and just keep going. So yeah, can't wait to do my review on this. Stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.